AIS means Automatic Identification System, a maritime radio system. Vessels and shore stations exchange short digital reports over the air using VHF radio channels. These reports may include identity, position, course, and speed. AIS receivers turn them into NMEA 0183 data streams. What happens when several live AIS feeds carry the same traffic? Sources may be fixed receivers, mobile stations, or upstream feeds. Every accepted packet keeps a stable source identity. The payload is scanned once, fields are parsed once. Multipart AIS messages are then assembled correctly, even when fragments arrive out of order. Several receivers may hear the same transmission. AISMixer accepts the first logical message, then suppresses repeated copies. AISMixer handles NMEA tags deterministically. Source, timestamp, and group tags can be cleaned, preserved, or rebuilt into consistent output sentences. Routing follows the internal source identity, not the visible tag value. Operators define source zones, ordered routes, and named targets. Each batch reaches only the selected outputs. At the station edge, an MEAS proxy connects one local serial or UDP input to one remote output. UDPSEC uses authenticated ECDHE, fresh session keys, and AES-GCM protection. AISMixer still owns assembly, deduplication, tag handling, routing, and fan out. The result is a clean, explainable AIS data plane, multiple sources in, selected streams out. Explore AISMixer at aismixer.net and on GitHub.